Next, we discuss an important concept of setting seed. So when we are running random functions, it will be always giving us random values. That random value is being generated through a function. If you give it an input through a seed, it will give a particular value to you. So seed comes to use many times. So for example, if you have set of random values and you want to get the same set of random values again, you will set a seed before getting the random values. If I'm teaching and I'm showing you an example and my example has some random values, and if I want you to have the same random values, I will set the seed and I'll let you know what is the value of that seed so that you can set the same seed. We both will get the same random values. This is what we will do in the example also. We will set seed and both of us will get the same values. Seed value can be between -1 to 1 and both of them can be included, and it can have any decimal value also. So this is how we set a seed. We will write select set seed of zero point 0.5. Once you have set the seed, when you run the random function, it will give you a particular value. Every time you run the random function after setting seed at 0.5, it will give you the same random value. The second time you run the random function, it will give you a new value, but this value will always remain same. What this means is whenever you set the seed to 0.5, the first random function will give you same value. The second random function will give you a different value than the first random function, but it will be always same. If you do not understand this, let us look at an example. You'll get what I'm trying to say. So let us first select set seed to 0.5. Set seed has run successfully. Now let us run the random function select random. So this gives a random value of 0.550025. Let us write this as a comment so that we remember it. Now run a random function again. So it is now given a value of 0.29531. Now let us set seed again. Select set seed 0.5. So now the seed is again back to 0.5. Now when we run the random function, we'll get the same value. I hope if you are doing it with me, you are getting the same values as I am. Let us run the random function again. This will be same as 0.295311. So this is what setting seed helps you do. It helps you get the same set of random values so that you can repeat the calculations. You can reuse the random number and still get the same result.